Welcome to Best Choice. The best sewer cover is probably one of the most overlooked yet essential components of any modern infrastructure, silently safeguarding our communities from potential hazards and ensuring the smooth flow of vital services beneath our feet. However, with a myriad of options available, selecting the right one can be a daunting task, especially when considering the critical role it plays in public safety and environmental protection. Number 5. Sunnydaze 11-foot H small faux landscape rock cover. Tired of looking at unsightly yard fixtures, wiring, or utility equipment? This discreet cover is the perfect solution to hide them all. It even provides a clever spot to stash a spare key. Crafted from durable polyresin with a neutral color and realistic texture, it blends seamlessly into any outdoor space. Its lifelike design and irregular edges mimic natural rocks, ensuring it looks right at home. Built to withstand the elements year-round, this cover includes metal stakes to keep it securely anchored. This ensures it stays in place, even in windy conditions, while remaining easy to reposition. Use this cover to conceal and protect low-profile utility equipment, manhole covers, or gas lines. Maintain a beautiful, natural-looking outdoor space by hiding unsightly objects. Whether you're a homeowner or a landscaper, this cover offers a simple solution for professional curb appeal. It blends seamlessly with mulch and flower beds, keeping your landscape clean and cohesive. What we like. This option is perfect for homeowners who want to maintain a beautiful, natural-looking yard. If you have unsightly utility equipment like sprinkler valves or well pumps, this is an excellent choice. Its realistic texture and lightweight design make it easy to blend into any landscape. What people say. The sewer cover is made of heavy-duty cast iron, ensuring durability and longevity. Its unique locking mechanism prevents unauthorized access and ensures safety. The cover features a non-slip surface, providing excellent traction even in wet conditions. Number 4. Camco 39455 Clear RV Sewer Cap with Lanyard. Introducing the Camco RV Sewer Cap, designed to prevent leaks and spills from your RV's sewer system. Keep your campsite clean and worry-free. This clear cap allows you to easily see what's behind it, helping you anticipate any potential issues. Ensure a clean and safe experience every time. Designed for compatibility with 3-inch RV waste valves, it forms a secure connection. The bayonet fitting ensures a tight seal with 4 points of attachment. Constructed from heavy-duty plastic with UV inhibitors, this cap is built for years of reliable use. It's designed to withstand the elements. It comes complete with a convenient lanyard to help prevent loss. Keep it attached and always know where it is. What we like. If you're an RV owner who wants peace of mind during travel, this is the cap for you. It securely connects to your RV's sewer system, preventing leaks and spills. The clear design allows you to see what's behind it, making it ideal for anticipating any issues on the go. What people say. The sewer cover is made of high-quality cast iron, ensuring durability and longevity. Its heavy-duty design can withstand significant weight, making it suitable for driveways and high-traffic areas. The cover features a textured surface for enhanced grip, preventing slips and falls. Number 3. Camco RhinoFLEX 20 feet complete RV sewer hose kit. Streamline your RV holding tank dumping with this complete sewer hose kit. It's built tough and flexible, providing a simple and effective solution for your camping adventures. This comprehensive kit includes 2 10-foot sewer hoses with pre-attached fittings, a clear elbow with a 4-in-1 adapter, and 4 RV sewer caps for storage. The fittings swivel 360 degrees for easy connection, and the clear elbow lets you see when the tank is empty. It fits most dump station pipes, with the 4-in-1 adapter accommodating various sizes. This ensures compatibility with a wide range of setups. Constructed with durable polyolefin and reinforced with steel wire, it can bend and maintain its shape. This ensures reliable and long-lasting use. The 20-foot hose kit includes 2 10-foot sections that compress for easy storage. You can even store them neatly inside a standard 4-inch RV bumper. What we like. For the avid RVer who needs a reliable and comprehensive solution for dumping tanks, this kit is a must-have. It includes everything you need for easy and effective tank dumping, even on extended trips. Its rugged yet flexible build and compact storage make it perfect for those who value convenience and durability. What people say. This sewer cover is made of heavy-duty cast iron, ensuring durability and longevity. The cover features a non-slip surface, providing excellent traction and safety. Its intricate design adds a decorative touch to any outdoor space while serving its functional purpose. Number 2. Camco Durable Sewer Cap. Introducing the Camco Durable Sewer Cap, built to last and designed for convenience. This cap is made with high-quality materials for exceptional durability. It's built to withstand the elements. Ensure a tight and secure seal every time. It's designed for a reliable connection. Installation and removal are a breeze. You'll appreciate its user-friendly design. Trust in Camco for your RV needs. This sewer cap is a testament to our commitment to quality. What we like. If you are looking for a straightforward and robust solution to secure your RV's sewer system, this durable cap is a great option. It offers a secure fit and is built to withstand various weather conditions. It's ideal for RV owners who prioritize longevity and a reliable seal. What people say. The sewer cover is made of heavy-duty cast iron, ensuring durability and longevity. Its intricate design adds a decorative touch to the sewer opening, enhancing the curb appeal of the area. The cover fits snugly into the opening, preventing debris from entering the sewer system and maintaining its functionality. Number 1. Jackel 24-inch Green Septic Tank Riser Cover. Introducing the Jackel Septic Tank Riser Cover, designed for durability and ease of use. It provides a reliable solution for your septic system needs. This cover offers a universal fit, adapting seamlessly to most 24-inch PVC and polyethylene riser pipes. Installation is straightforward and hassle-free. Its natural green color allows it to blend effortlessly with your lawn and landscaping. Keep your septic system discreet and aesthetically pleasing. Constructed to be both strong and lightweight, this cover ensures long-lasting performance without being cumbersome. It's built to withstand the elements. Designed for simple integration with existing septic systems, it's a practical choice for homeowners. Enjoy peace of mind with this essential component. What we like. This cover is designed for property owners who need to discreetly manage their septic systems. If you have a 24-inch riser pipe and want a cover that blends seamlessly with your landscaping, this is an excellent choice. Its natural green color and durable yet lightweight construction make it both functional and aesthetically pleasing. What people say. It is a good product, and I am happy with it. This is a great product, and I am very pleased with my purchase. I am very happy with this product, and I would recommend it to others. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.